Greetings, tech investigators. This is Mystery Curtain with your next big review. We'll power up the latest gadget, put it through its paces, and uncover whether it's a game changer or just another overhyped toy. In the crowded world of affordable wearables, two names stand out in 2025 as the ultimate contenders for the title of the nation's favorite smart band. The Huawei Band 10 and the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Both come at nearly the same price point and share a sleek, minimalist design philosophy, while packing features that seem almost identical at first glance. Yet when you look closer, the differences reveal two very distinct approaches to health and wellness tracking. And that is exactly what makes this comparison so compelling. Priced at around $30 for the Huawei Band 10 and about $34 for the Xiaomi Smart Band 10, the battle is not just about affordability, but about philosophy. Huawei is leaning toward deep medical-grade insights, while Xiaomi is focusing on behavior, lifestyle, and day-to-day practicality. Sleep tracking is the first major battlefield. Huawei equips the Band 10 with its latest True Sleep 4.0 technology, which doesn't just record when you go to bed and wake up but dives into each stage of sleep, analyzing breathing patterns, detecting irregularities, and even measuring heart rate variability (HRV) overnight, to give a scientific measure of recovery. These are advanced functions usually reserved for far more expensive devices, meaning Huawei is clearly pushing professional-level health insights to the mass market. Xiaomi, on the other hand, takes a different route. Instead of loading its Smart Band 10 with advanced sensors like HRV or breathing irregularity detection, Xiaomi introduces something far more behavioral: a 21-day sleep improvement program. By setting goals, tracking progress, and gently nudging you to form healthier sleep habits, Xiaomi transforms sleep tracking from a passive monitoring tool into an active coach that helps reshape long-term routines. In short, Huawei wants to tell you what is happening inside your body while you sleep, while Xiaomi wants to help you change the way you approach sleep itself. Heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring are the next areas to compare. Both devices offer continuous heart rate monitoring and all-day SPO tracking with alerts for abnormal values, which has become standard in the smart band segment. Where Huawei edges ahead is with its TrueScene 5.5 sensor system, which not only measures heart rate but also analyzes pulse waves to detect early abnormalities. This additional layer of interpretation makes the Band 10 more suitable for users who prioritize early detection and detailed metrics. Xiaomi still delivers accurate and reliable readings, but it has not yet added the advanced waveform analysis Huawei is boasting. When it comes to stress and mental well-being, both bands provide stress tracking and guided breathing exercises. But Huawei again stretches further by including an emotional well-being feature. This addition lets users log their moods and receive advice aimed at mental resilience, bridging the gap between physical and emotional health. Xiaomi's offering here remains solid but more traditional, sticking to stress scores and breathing guidance without moving into the emotional domain. Sports tracking is where Xiaomi strikes back hard. Huawei Band 10 supports about 100 workout modes, with advanced swim analysis that can count laps, measure stroke frequency, calculate SWOLF scores, and recognize swim styles. For athletes and swimming enthusiasts, these details are invaluable. Yet Xiaomi's Smart Band 10 expands the horizon to over 150 workout modes, automatically recognizing some activities without user input. Xiaomi also claims a swim lap detection accuracy of up to 96% and supports underwater heart rate monitoring, giving real-world swimmers not only breadth but also precision. This makes Xiaomi the stronger choice for casual athletes who want variety or fitness fans who dabble in multiple sports. Battery life and design round out the story. The Huawei Band 10 is impressively slim at just 8.99 mm and weighs only around 15 grams, making it comfortable to wear day and night. Its battery lasts up to 14 days with typical use, ensuring you can keep it on your wrist without constantly worrying about recharging. Xiaomi Smart Band 10 is a little thicker and heavier but houses a larger 233 mAh battery, which extends life up to 21 days in standard mode, or around 9 days with always-on display active. For users who dislike frequent charging or who prefer a vibrant, always visible screen, Xiaomi's endurance will feel like a game changer. Ultimately, the choice comes down to whether you value depth or balance. The Huawei Band 10 is the right fit for those who want specialized, in-depth health data, particularly in areas like sleep analysis and heart monitoring. It's like having a mini health lab on your wrist. Meanwhile, the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 offers a broader, more balanced package with its expansive sports modes, bigger display, and marathon-level battery life. In other words, Huawei is the specialist, while Xiaomi is the all-rounder. Both stand as strong contenders for the Better Choice Awards 2025 in the category of breakthrough health technology, and whichever you choose, you are getting an impressive amount of value for under $40.